Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I'm gonna do unboxing again. One of my favorite because I'm happy whenever I get new product. So for today's video, I'm gonna share the last box of Dowith Us. This is the box I got yesterday. It was new and still untapped because I want to share my genuine impression always with you guys. And Dowith Us, they always send me the best products all the time, so I really appreciate that. And this is the last box, so I want to share my enthusiasm about skincare. And I thought one of my life purpose is taking care of myself, and I think skincare and workout are the way of taking care of myself, so I want to keep doing. So this is the whole box and it's full of bunch of skincare products, literally. Anyway, I'm not gonna ramble anymore, so without much further ado, let's get right into it. So this is the whole box I want to open. So this is the guide for our last challenge. I'm pretty excited about that. So you guys can check my Instagram later. So let's just gonna go through some products. I'm not gonna keep holding it because that's gonna hurt my arms. The first one is this Soothing Mist Pink Vera. I think I already got it before. I love the purpose of this brand. Wellness we pursue. Wellness is a combination of three words: well-being, happiness, fitness. You know, there are other explanations, but I just love the definition. Should I open it? I'm gonna use my knife. Here again. Let me open it. Yes, yeah, I already got it. Yeah, I love this mist. I also made a dedicated review on this line, Pink Vera collection, so you guys go and definitely check. My skin gets a lot drier, I don't know. After getting older and older, my skin gets drier. What can I do for that? Just keep, using a mist. That's gonna be the best option. So the second one is facial cream Mangosteen. I used it before, but I feel like they just changed the packaging. Just open it. I love the smell of Mangosteen. There you go. It's really like fruity, but not that much sweet. It's more like a gel texture. I used it before, so I know the texture of it. It's a good lotion after finishing my workout, so I'm happy about to use it again. I mean, I prefer to use heavy creams at night, but sometimes that's too much, during the daytime, so it's gonna be good for that purpose. Ooh, hand cream. Rich softening hand cream avocado, and I used one of their hand creams before that has Himalayan salt ingredients. That was in the second Dowith box. I really love that, so I thought I would love it again because I love avocado, ingredient in general. I mean, eating and just putting that on my skin. Oh, cute bottle. I'm a big fan of hand cream. I always bring them and that makes my day. My hands are so weird. Sometimes it gets so dry and sometimes it's so wet. Yeah, my hands are like that, especially whenever I focus on something like playing the guitar or writing or those kind of stuff. My hands start getting wet since I was young. It gets better after getting older, but still I have that kind of tendency or situation. I don't know. Oh, avocado oil again. It was in the second Dowith box, if I'm right. This is good for like moisturizing, and I can use it after finishing my skin and toner. I can like build a good base before applying a moisturizer. There you go, avocado oil. And the good thing of avocado oil of this brand is that it's not that like heavy on my skin and not that sticky. I love it because sometimes too much greasy oil, facial oils make my pore clogged. Doesn't make sense. I'm kind of worried about that, so I'm happy about it. So there are 3 more products inside of it. They are quite big, you can see. So the first one is toner, Mangosteen toner. So I've used Mangosteen lotion before, but I've never used it, so I'm pretty excited about that. So let's look and open it because I'm curious of the texture of this toner. There we go. I love to open new packages, That makes my day. Ooh, it's like a warty texture. Try the smell. It's not that like extreme. It's gonna moisturize my face, so I'm gonna use them together. The lotion. Because I think it's better to use products from the same collection. So I'm gonna use it together. But I have my toner still, so I'm gonna use it after finishing the toner. And oh, there's also emulsion here from the same collection. Mangosteen True Balancing Facial Emulsion. Emulsion is, I don't know what is emulsion, because kind of confused about the term of skincare product. I think it's the same with Ampoule, right? Let me just gonna open it. Because I can tell according to their texture. Oops, I ruined the packaging. Oh, I cannot see the texture in it. Emulsion could be lotion. I think it's lotion. Oh yeah, it's lotion. So I can apply it daytime or before applying a more thicker texture lotion, I guess. It's gonna build a good base again. And it absorbs so quickly, you can see. I always smell the product. The product of this brand, Dowith, their fragrance is not too heavy, so I love it. I'm not a big fan of heavy fragranced product, to be honest. I don't know, I get usually sick of that. I mean, I can deal with, I'm not there like too much picky about fragrance. You need to go back. Last but not least is cleansing foam, a softening facial cleansing foam, Avocado. Whenever I get a new facial cleansing foam, I don't know how to show you guys, you know what I mean? Because lotion, I just have to show like some of the product and how they absorb on my skin, but cleansing foam, I don't know. But let me just open it, just want to see the packaging. This brand has also English description, so it's gonna be really good if you don't understand Korean. Oh yeah, it's sealed so I cannot smell, but anyway, I'm pretty excited to use it, and let me know if you guys want to know about my review on this product. I'm gonna talk about that in a different video. So that completes this video. I hope you guys like it. Anyway, this is the last box from the brand Dowith, so I'm a little bit sad, but thanks for sending me this product again. Anyway, if you guys are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and fitness related video every week, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out my latest video. You guys can tell I changed my uploading routine and I upload less, but I'm trying to improve the quality. I'm so hectic and busy, so I don't want to get myself stressed out. I'm that kind of person, easily get myself stressed out by doing many things and put so much pressure on myself and put so many things on my plate, but that's one of the things I want to improve in 2020. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.